Cybersecurity Presentation. Transcript. Hello everyone, I am Arūnas Girdziušas, representing CYBORA. I have spent over 25 years in the IT field, and for the past decade, I have focused exclusively on cybersecurity. Our team develops crisis management programs and works with over 130 security standards worldwide. Today, I want to show you the reality, how the criminal underworld actually operates as it attempts to breach your systems every single day. The first thing we must understand is that the vast majority of incidents begin with human error. The statistics are simple. About 90% of all security breaches happen because of one rushed click, one moment of inattention, or one uncalculated move. And there is no one to blame here. We are all human. Even the best training cannot protect against that split second when a tired employee clicks where they shouldn't. However, we see an even greater challenge on the horizon: quantum technology. Experts predict that within the next 5 years, quantum computing will be able to crack practically every encryption system currently in use. This is why the US and other nations are already developing new standards, as our current ones simply won't hold up. This isn't theory. This is a process happening right now. Another critical aspect is the identity of today's hackers. They are no longer lone individuals working out of garages. Today, they are massive corporations based in China, Russia, and North Korea. These are organizations with thousands of employees, their own data centers, AI systems, and clearly defined job roles. For example, the group Lockbit created a model known as ransomware as a service. Think of it as a criminal version of Amazon. If you want to perform a hack, you simply order the tools, the instructions, and the technical support. It operates just as professionally as any legal IT service. This brings us to artificial intelligence. Today, AI is changing the entire game. We conducted an experiment with 25 companies using AI to create individualized phishing emails tailored to specific employees. The result? A 100% success rate. The AI analyzed social media profiles, hobbies, writing styles, and even photos. It then crafted messages that people believed instantly. This isn't a simple, "hello, click here" scam. These are emails that look exactly like they were written by your colleague, your manager, or even your friend. Another growing threat is voice cloning. Today, AI can recreate a person's voice from just a few seconds of recording. Imagine the scene. An IT manager receives a call where the CEO, in their actual voice, asks them to urgently open a file or grant system access. It sounds so authentic that the employee doesn't even second guess it. The result? The system is breached in 10 seconds. There is one more fact you need to know. Using AI, hackers now only need 4 hours to find a vulnerability in systems used by giants like Apple or Netflix. Old bugs that were considered insignificant a decade ago are being transformed into zero-day attacks by AI. This means the flaw is exploited instantly before anyone even notices it exists. Now here's the most important part. At CYBORA, we use these same AI tools, but for defense. We analyze criminal logic, their operational models, and their automation. Our goal is to stop them before they even start. We see how they think, how they plan, and how they test. In response, we build systems that react in real time, just as fast as they do. Cyber warfare today is no longer just between nations. It is a war between algorithms. In this war, every second has a price. Every click has a consequence. Every mistake can be incredibly expensive. That's why our mission is not just to protect systems, it is to protect people, because today it is the individual who is the primary target. At CYBORA, we use the same AI tools for defense. We analyze criminal logic to stop them before they strike. Remember, in cyber warfare, every second and every click has a price. Thank you for listening. If you want to know how to safeguard your organization, we are here to help.